Hello everyone, my name is Temiloluwa Fuwape, and I'll be talking about the teach one on ordinary regression assignment, and I'll be discussing on the solution for question one. So this is the question. It says, for the following x and y data, calculate the regression equation, plot the points and the lines, calculate the residuals, and sum of squared residuals. So this is the table that was copied from here. So here you have the x, y by the left and x by the right, then the other empty parts of the table. So you're trying to use the regression formula from Excel. And what you do is with your Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, you go to the data column, you click the data column, then click data analysis, then you can pick out regression. And after you do that, yes, this part asks you to select the Y range, while this part asks you to select the X range. So you have to select which type of output you want. So you pick a new worksheet, then you also pick residuals, standardized residuals, residual plots, and in-phase plots, just in case you want to see much more graphical representation of the results. Then after, this is what's going to be produced. This is the summary output. Is the R square, is a multiple R, standard error, and you have results from ANOVA. And these are the results that are specific to the simple linear regression equation. And I'm going to talk about it in the next slide. So the intercept is 9.2, while the slope, which is the x variable 1 coefficient, is 0.8. And also, this is also the output of the residuals and standard residuals. This is the table. So here is the regression equation. And from the book, you see this is the dependent variable, this is the constant or intercept, this is the independent variable x, and this is the slope coefficient. So from the results after using Excel to perform regression on the data, you get y equals 9.2 plus 0.8x. Then this is the full table whereby is the predicted y, and this is calculated by entering the values of x into this equation. That's how you get each of the values of this predicted y, while the residuals is y minus predicted y, and that's what you get here. Then the squared residuals is the square of the residual column. That's how you get this column. Then in plotting, you plot a chart with Excel using the plot chart function, and you plot is scatter plot. And after you plot the scatter plot, you now add the trend line to get this line. And when you add it to trend line, you can also edit the trend line and select the function that shows the equation. Thank you.